Okay, so I'm super excited. So I got a package in the mail and I want to unbox it with you. So back in July, I went to Comic-Con. And so I'm a huge Comic-Con, individual. I love cosplay, all of that type of stuff. And so while I was at Comic-Con, I stopped at the Hasbro booth. And they had something really interesting that they were doing where you got to create I guess you would say it's a 3D picture of yourself or something like that, where you got to create your own action figure. And so I think they called it like a HasLab. You had to do like a HasLab selfie. And so they has this or had this amazing technology where you had to do like these 3D images. It kind of put you in the mind of when you first set up your iPhone and how you do your face or whatever to open your phone or whatever. So that's what we had to do for the HasLab. And it seemed like it took forever. It finally came. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like. So I was really undecided on which one I wanted to pick in terms of action figures. I was really undecided. So can you see which one I went with? Doo-doo. Wow. So this is what the box looks like. So the Hasbro Pulse at Comic-Con 2023 Selfie Series exclusive. And so it includes convention exclusive base. The box itself is amazing. So y'all can see which one I picked. All right, so let me be very careful when I unbox it here. So how do you, oh, there we go. I'm really excited. Da-da-da. Okay, let's see what we got here. No way! This is the outer box here. So I chose Spider-Man because it just seemed like something simple. So this is what the outer box looks like. Dang. So this is I guess the base that it's going to stand on here. And it's got 2023 Marvel on here, so that's pretty dope. And here is my action figure. So when I went to Comic-Con, I was rocking the blonde fro, of course, with the part down the side. And y'all can see my eyebrows is always popping. So I think they did a good job. Dang, okay, and so the head turns, it's like fully, the action parts or whatever, it's fully movable. Yeah, so like the arms bend. I don't want to take it out of the box. I'm one of those where I don't like to take stuff out of the box. But yeah, everything bends, and dang, the facial features is like pretty cool. For a 3D, I don't know if you can kind of see that, but for a 3D, that's like pretty dope. So what do you think? What do you think? Do you think they did a good job? Would you ever try something like this? All right, so here is the up close view. That's a lot of good detail there. Like, wow. It's the hair for me, because that's exactly how my hair looked too. It was all over the place, blonde. But look, they got the eyebrows right. Can I zoom in more? Look at that man, this detail is amazing. Yeah, they did good here. It's me.